1969 Chevrolet Camaro X11 code car. Beautiful dusk blue, dark blue interior, buckets. Very nice setup. I'm going to walk around the car. Paint is immaculate on this car. If there's any imperfections in the paint, I am going to point them out during my video. It's been upgraded with the Tremec 5-speed transmission, 12-volt POSI unit with a 373 gear ratio. It is a 454 big block, but it's stamped here as a 396, 375 horse, like an L-code car, but it is a 454. Front power disc brakes, power steering, no overheating issues, beautiful factory appearance with the manifolds. We'll move in a little bit closer. A couple little marks here and here, in which we can get those touched up if needed. But I just wanted to show them to you. Beautiful, like I said, dusk blue paint, nice rallies with the BFGs. No imperfections here. Everything looks great. Both quarters appear to be replaced and did a fabulous job on the replacement. Beautiful trunk, spare tire jack, assembly there, dual exhaust, and obviously 12-volt POSI there. Continuing on the passenger side, everything looks great. No nicks, no dings, no scratches. Beautiful, beautiful setup. Now, I'm gonna go for a test drive. Lights, turn signals all function. Horn works, wipers work. As you can see there, wipers, yep, they do function. All the gauges function. As you can see, the turn signals all function as well. Heat defrost does work. Very nice. Let's mount this camera. Go for a test drive in the 5-speed. All right. That was the trunk that I forgot to close. Odometer shows 73,521 miles. Appears to be original to the car. Motor, driveline, everything here is, if I'm surprised if there's 1,000 miles on it. This thing feels strong, very strong. Sounds great, and I love this 5-speed Tremec. Shifts like butter too. This is a high-end car, guys. It's above driver quality, that's for sure. Wow. Suspension feels incredible on the car. Hats off to whoever restored this thing. They did a fabulous job. Interior, mint. Too crazy here. There's a lot of cops here in Addison. Police station's right around the corner. If you guys need financing, credit score's got to be about 650 to 720. That requires about 10% down. If you're over 720, I can get you done with no money down for the vehicle. If you need delivery, call me, text me, email me your zip code, and I'll get you a quote. Highly going to recommend this thing to go in an enclosed carrier. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, click the bottom right hand subscribe button to get all my videos. If you're on Facebook, like my page, share my page, and that way you can see all of them that are coming through. We try to tell you everything, and do tell you everything about the cars here at MGM. I have excellent reviews, and that's what we go by. So, hope you guys buy a car from the company, because we are legit. Look at the reviews. We have a lot of happy customers. If you've been looking for a 69, this is it, guys. It's that nice of a car. We're located at 150 South Church by appointment only in Addison, Illinois. If you want to fly in, drive in, not a problem. Give me a notice. We can only go on a test drive with the pre-approval or 10% down, cash in hand. If you guys are looking to fly in, I'm 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, and I'm 1 hour from Midway. You guys can hop on an Uber, come on over, we go for a drive and close the deal. If you need financing, like I said earlier, get pre-approved before we do a test drive. It's mandatory. Headed back to the shop. Any more photos, go to mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas. You can call me, text me at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching.